This is Schwinn 1970. I was at the swap meet this past weekend. Bought some parts to finish up some other bikes. Found this tank here. Wasn't in very good condition, but had the horn I needed for the 55 Black Phantom. This was one of those someone rust repaired with fiberglass and what looks to be Bondo or JB Weld. I already did a section down here of sanding and trying to reshape it back in. I'm going to try to save it and use it on one of the rat rod projects, because it definitely can't be reused on a show bike or anything. This is just a video showing how it looks now. This is a section I already started sanding and reshaping down here. Probably be a few more videos. So let me know what you guys think.